Hello everyone, welcome to new video. Let's learn how to hide Instagram chats without deleting them. So let's start. First open your Instagram app. I will go on chats to show you message. For this method you need to have to switch your account to professional account. I have tutorial on this channel, you have link in description. After that go again on chat, and long press on somebody you want to hide chat. And tap on move to general. I will repeat this to show you again. Now I will refresh Instagram. And you can see to this message don't have. Now tap on this button general, and you will see your hidden message. And you are done. So that is it for this video. If this video like you, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorial like this. Goodbye.